People, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Another high-profile gang member from Spanish Town, another quote-unquote Don, is dead. This time, a little thing called Chups. You would have heard C4 talk about him on the recordings. Well, if in a year, you have a year, because he's all over the recordings. Right. But that Chups, he's dead. Well, never talk about it. Chups is not a true 90 octane, right? But him is like one of them seen at 87 there where, run off over your son, him say, man, the Dan for your son. But it's not like a true 90 octane, right? It's not like a Tesha Miller or them people, right? But, there's a community and I'm run as I'm the Dan for run as them kind of way there. But a prominent member on the Spanish Town gang scene. At one point, him even gone freelance. Start doing one thing. Right? Meaning say him never take no talk from the Dania or the Dania, but eventually man start link back on madness. But never talk to him about Chups. When we go into that, I have a Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to Ras Lima. Today is him Earth Strong. I want to wish Ras Lima happy birthday. Today is not just Ras Lima's Earth Strong, but basically the 4-year anniversary. It's a couple days short. 4 years anniversary as part of the Patreon squad. From 2020, time really a fly. Has it been that long? 2020. I don't even feel like me met with a friend them time. But I them say time wait for no unicorn. So Ras Lima, big up yourself. Enjoy yourself to the fullest. Seeing more life. Chups. Police take him out in Greendale. After him lose him life, usually the family and the friends and the kerosene start post all kind of things. One of them people then post this based upon the screen or so. Sometimes I wonder if there's like a script that people take quotes from. When enough of them man are dead, whether them sister them or them cousin them or them kerosene them, it's like them only have 5 things all of them say. Either them say, oh you have to do me this, or then say, wake up now please, or something like so. It's like, at this point, let me tell you something, the phone 87 now. Not even 87, no phone yard man out there, Jamaican, Iron man, tell the phone something. Especially the man them will live fast life and then when time on the dead. If we never name in the streets, enough time a competition people are run for who can greet father. Them only for, oh no, not this and Lord, how me I gonna live now, Lord have mercy. Enough time it not real youth. I'm just being honest. Enough time it not real. Especially the kerosene them, and them go on the most. How me I gonna live? Then turn to the big singer, how do I live without you? And next week, JJ Nakis, I'll blow her back to smithereens. Just putting that out there. You see, when we go into this Chups matter, if I see him cousin them and sister them and mother them and brother them and kerosene them and who love brag say them family a killer and love tell you what them go for them family for bust up a face and encourage them cousin and them brother and them friend for go war man and don't take no this. That is where them demonstration make care about you. Not when time I did them a post about the rest in peace and how me I go live and me can't eat no more dumpling for the rest of my life. Me I go stop eat, me can't eat. That is unicorn meat. But I have to just segue a little from the video because I realize, especially on social media era, everybody start to sound the same now. They want to reward you for being a killer. That's like me bragging say my family are a sprinter. And then you get injured and then I say, John, oh bro, if you get injured, that's what sprinters do, dummy. That's par for the course. Come with the territory. It's a part of the game. If you have the tracks, if you have the athletics, you'll get injured. This is what happens in badness. You're dead young. Dead early. You only can't meet, I tell you, even the grieving a unicorn meat. No found the youths in the army if you start opening up on the eyeball them. Right? This is all unicorn meat. You're in a never-ending trap. You're in a rabbit hole that doesn't end. Then the business boy out, they can't wait for your dead. So that they can show people how big the funeral is. Them already have the funeral suit put on. When they go hard at your funeral, it's not because they care about you, because they want to show off on their neighbor. And show off say for them family thing was the biggest. It's exciting in Iron death. Murder, them love it. You hear me I tell you no? The candlelight vigil, they can't wait for it come. The night, they can't wait for it come. The setup, they start have orgasms and then you go set up. Funeral home, have mercy, and make them use some funeral a keep. If you didn't go learn for turn mechanic or learn for turn electrician and keep on party, we celebrate, maybe 20 people go. But when the killy drop out, you now have space to park car. You think so much people can love somebody? You ever see some of them bad man funeral yet? All 1,000 people. You wonder if a Nelson Mandela dead. Think of so much people love. It's the excitement. That's what them love. Excitement. And noise and chaos, because you know sometimes man dead that mean gun salute and be a car or river and bike or river and shut a fire. And that them love. When if you get this now in the head and a business boat, you know. Cannon father. You should have asked him how him to do this when time he'll bust gun and kill people. That if you ask him, you ask the man going to do this and he's dead. Who vex? Vex. They don't care about you. Get that in your thick skull. Cannon father. They love you more in death than in life. Chups. It's a long time, 87. Always in and out of jail. Every time they hold on upon him, look like I hate this. Next thing a year, they can't find the witness. That kind of rhyme still. But yeah. People afraid of Chups. And if you don't know him, you might not know him 87. Because you have different type of 87. You have 87 where kind of them vulgar with it. If you don't really know Chups, this is how enough people get caught up in a madness with Chups, because them not really get the impression same as 87. Right, so enough people get caught off guard when you're too late and the gun nozzling at them mouth. Matter of fact, the man them have, if you say that Chups gathering have the premium version on it. Premium version cause him escape everything. When court case a drop, when anti-gang a drop, when man a dead, Chups escape everything. You know, so the kill them believe in them gathering hard, right? Even if you don't believe in it, them believe in it. And I say believe kill and believe cure. And the more them escape certain things, and the more them believe in it. That's what belief working. The amount of time Chups escape death. Enough move then go up on and police shoot all the man inside them. The man inside that Chups will get shot every time. So every time shoot out go on and shot fire, somebody side of him get shot. All the time I am a lead out the team, the man side of him I get shot. And I always miss the gunshot when they hold on upon him, witness now. Every time Chups get to him, man them say Chups gathering are the premium version. So I wonder if I stop pay the bill amount time. How the gathering thing work? Is it like Netflix? Is it like, Hulu and them thing? Is it like a monthly subscription? And if you stop pay the gathering work again, I say it work. I don't know, because it look like the gathering never that work. Because the gathering, when I say I go keep him alive, fail him. Chups look run out. And after the police rush on Chups, have a gun upon him and they run left for the gun, Fling my gun that way, then him gone that way there. Get away every time. And by the way, them fling my gun thing then, right? The higher ranking gang members them can get away with that. The smaller 87s them, especially gun bag them, right? You have this thing called the gun bag. And him just really lock the gun really. He might go up on a 1 and 2 shooting, but I'll film thing have to lock the gun them and make sure stand if anything happen to him. Right? When them lose the gun, them dead. Them have either bite back or dead. Sometimes they may bite back and still dead. But the higher ranking gang members them, right, them have a certain amount of clout where them can lose gun and they done just say, boy, I one of them thing there. Because just like with any other organization, I must say a gang is organized crime, Right? There's still an organization. So in every organization, there are some people who are more valuable than others. And when people are seen as more valuable, then get away with more. It's like on the LA Lakers, LeBron James can get away with more than other man. Right? On the Manchester City, De Bruyne and them man, they can get away with more than other man. You can't just step on the same team as how come them man do this. Man, I tell you, so, well, I'm a big baller. I'm a big basketballer. I'm a top sprinter. You can't do what him do. Chups have a style with them love. Roll out, rifle, shotgun, Thompson pen. Them have them route to them take. You don't know people from that side of what kind of name. You have the Bronx. On the New York, but you have the Bronx and the Brooklyn and my Chad. A part of him take many times. A route to him take many times. Rifle. The game change. This journey never end well for him. By the time the chaos done, Chups was dead. The game changed. Something happened to Tesha recently. Should make you see that. You would have seen that the papers said them then drag Tesha Miller to court. As you know, Tesha Miller anti-gang is on now. Tesha Miller say nah go court, you know. Because Tesha Miller come from the old time days when time being Tesha Miller, it guarantee him certain things. Being Tesha Miller means certain things gonna reach him. I said enough police will deal with 87 certain way, but the big Dan, one time police get in all trouble for this Dan, you know. Yes, think Iron Man easy. Police will do him job and quote unquote this the Dan. The Dan call Smaddy and call all the constant man. Police a get call. I say yo, where you do know every Monday? Them days are done cut where man and deal with Tesha. Chan Tesha say nah go court. Man then go in at the cell for him go drag him out. The man them have Tesha Miller like Benny Hill or Mr. Bean or sitting like a rag doll. I fling him all about the place. All and pull him gone a court. Tesha reach a court and start stamping foot again like a spoiled pit. He say nah go no way. Man they haul and pull Tesha again. Fling him before the judge. When they look Tesha Miller and look a piece of shots. Look like a man play ball on Sunday. Because normally when Tesha go to court, you know, say him dress up and in long sleeve and him have on this and that. And Tesha this time he say nah go nowhere. So during this side he nah go nowhere and still in him shots, they like him a play ball. Like him think a ball field in Depan. Like him think him play for Liverpool. See him little piece of shots going to court, you know. Man. They trade him in the shots if you hold on for dear life to a man and think Tesha about the place. Things that get interesting. Never see a 90 acting of Tesha Miller status get treated so. A boy treatment and give me no. Boy treatment. You know what I mean? Hey boy, what you mean now? Well, go over here, hey boy. Now man, they don't get treated so. I know Tesha wake up and realize that different times man living now. Things that get serious, but I've seen this before. As I'm still have an ear of caution to it because I've seen this before where them get serious by man, serious by the gang them and the next thing you know, certain people start ball out. Certain people start to say, yo, this guy, and then next thing I see them lift them foot off of the gas. And then C-Tac start get the call, yo, stand down, yo, take it easy, yo, ease up over here, so, yo. Them have momentum on them side. If they keep the momentum going, we can see some real changes in a Spanish town and we can extend that across Iron Man. Right. But I myself seen it before. Then get well serious. Remember after the Tivoli incursion, get well serious, all kind of done, I get called in, man, I fret, man, I hide. Then, people start get tell, yo, ease up here, so foot start come off of gas. Going back to square one, so make we see. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.